Git tags are permanent pointers to specific commits in your project history. Think of them as sticky notes attached to important milestones. They don't move, they don't drift, and they stay anchored to the exact moment in your timeline you want to remember. You use tags to mark release versions like version 1.0 or version 2.1.3, to mark hotfix points where critical bugs were patched, and to capture stable snapshots of code known to be working. The defining difference from branches is permanence. A tag points at one commit forever, while a branch keeps moving forward with every new commit. Git gives you two kinds of tags, and understanding the difference matters. A lightweight tag is just a simple name pointing directly at a commit, nothing more than a bookmark. An annotated tag, on the other hand, is a full Git object stored in the database. It carries the tagger's name, email, the date it was created, and a release message you write yourself. Reach for a lightweight tag when you need a quick private bookmark, a temporary marker just for yourself that you'll never share. Reach for an annotated tag whenever the moment matters publicly. Official releases, shared milestones, anything teammates need to verify, or anything you intend to push to a remote repository. Here's a critical detail that trips people up. Git push does not push tags by default. To send a single tag, run git push origin followed by the tag name. To send every tag at once, use git push origin, tags. Remote servers treat annotated tags as proper release markers with full metadata, which is exactly what you want for a published version. Follow these best practices and your release history stays clean. Always use annotated tags for releases, write a meaningful message explaining what the version contains, and push tags explicitly the moment you're ready to publish. Never assume they'll travel automatically with your commits. Git tags are pointers to specific commits, used to mark releases or important milestones. There are two kinds: lightweight tags, which are simply named references, and annotated tags, which store full object data like a commit. This demonstration walks through creating both, so the difference is unmistakable. We start by clearing the screen and removing any old demo directory. Then initialize a brand new Git repository named tag_demo. The main indicator in the prompt confirms Git is active, and we are sitting inside the new repository on the default branch. Next, we create a simple text file called f.txt containing the content v1. Stage it with git add, and make our initial commit. The output shows one file changed and one insertion, confirming the commit was created on the main branch. Now we create a lightweight tag named version 1.0 with a plain git tag command and no options. Lightweight tags are just sticky notes, a direct pointer to the commit, with no extra metadata stored alongside them. Now we create an annotated tag named version 1.1 using a flag and a message with m. Annotated tags are full Git objects stored in the database, capable of carrying the tagger name, email, date, and a message, the same as a commit. Running git tag, L lists both tags, but at this stage they look identical, just two names pointing to the same commit. The real difference only becomes visible when you inspect them with git show, which we do next. Inspecting the annotated tag version 1.1 reveals a full tag object. The tag name, the tagger identity, the date, the tag message, and finally the commit it points to. This rich metadata is why annotated tags are recommended for public releases. Inspecting the lightweight tag version 1.0 shows only the commit it points to, no tagger, no date, no message. That is the core difference. Lightweight tags are bare references, while annotated tags are full objects in the Git database.